Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down, click on passwords and security, tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer and wait 5 seconds. Then click next. Now tap on done, and when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!